If you are wondering how they create that crowded choir effect popularly in Afrobeat amapiano, then watch this video, because today I'm going to show you how to create that crowded or choir effect using a simple plugin. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, hit that subscribe button and let's do this right after the intro. Alright, if you are new here, the name is Kosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribed. So we're gonna use this particular vocals here. First thing first, let's listen to this vocals without any effect.
Oh girl, my head 2 weeks name me fra won't fair. Where my me wata me papa wata obedi me sikewie nso abeti akokan ubu me John ane maje wo phone Debbie abayuka ane you give me love Debbie abayuka ane you give me love.
Before you can actually get that particular choir effect, you have to take multiple backings, verses. You have to record a lot of vocals in different dynamics so that you can actually achieve that particular effect.
Ane Debbie Annie, Debbie, Annie, Debbie.
Then listen to this.
Annie, that.
Let me raise the volume a little bit by giving it about 3 dB here. Just 1, 2, 3 dB. Like that. Now listen to that.
Annie, Debbie, Annie, Debbie, Annie.
Then listen to the next one.
Annie, Debbie, Annie. Debbie, Anyo, Debbie.
Listen to this.
Annie, Debbie, Annie, Debbie.
So all of them sound like this.
Annie, Debbie, Annie, Debbie, Annie.
I'm going to loop this section, which is where we're going to concentrate together with the lead vocals. Listen.
Annie, my phone. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love.
Next thing we're going to do is to route this to the mixer track. Alright, so we're going to route the lead vocals to mixer track 1. Then all those backends or the verses, the multiple recordings that you did, you have to route them to the same mixer track. Alright, so we're gonna route them to mixer track 3 like this one to mixer track 3 like that, mixer track 3, mixer track 3 like that. Now let's open the mixer track. As you can see, they are all now here.
Annie, my phone. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie.
Alright, so the very first thing that you have to put in your mind is to EQ that particular insert channel or the track that you have routed the vocals to. Alright, so I'm gonna EQ that. If you don't know how to EQ vocals, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. So I'm going to use the File Filter Pro Q3. Our main focus is on that particular backings or multiple recordings that we did. For the sake of today's video, I'm going to choose vocals presets like this.
Annie, my phone. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie, Annie, my phone. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie,
I'm going to create this band and do some surgical EQ here.
Annie, my phone. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie, abayuka. Annie,
let me solo this. Alright, you're gonna cut off this end. Make sure you clean up those vocals very well. Alright, make it tight like this, and I'm gonna click here and go for make dynamics.
Annie, my phone. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie, Annie, my phone. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie, abayuka. Annie, you give me love. Debbie,
This is super simple, guys. Right from there, let me introduce that particular plugin. So let's solo insert track 3.
Annie, Debbie.
Now the secret plugin that they are using is the Avo Choir. This is a plugin from Antes, and over here you can choose 4 voices, 8 voices, 16 voices, or 32 voices. Alright, so let's start with the 4 voices, and now listen. Let's go to the 8 voices and listen. Now you hear the difference without the plugin. So this is with the plugin. Now let's change it to 16 voices. Alright, then to 32 voices. So I'm gonna add the lead vocals, then let's play with it.
John, my phone. I buy you car, you give me love. I buy you car, you give me love.
You can also play with the vibrator knob here. Let's exaggerate things whilst you are playing.
John, my phone. I buy you car, you give me love. I buy you car, you give me love. John, my phone.
Then also play with the pitch here.
John, my phone. I buy you car, you give me love. I buy you car, you give me love. John, my phone. I buy you car, you give me.
Play with the timing.
John, my phone. I buy you car, you give me love. I buy you car, you give me love. John, my phone. I buy you car, you give me love.
Then guys, all you need to do is to give it more stereo separation because we want the vocals to be wide. Alright, more stereo spread by playing with this knob. Super simple.
John, my phone. I buy you car, you give me love. I buy you car, you give me love. John, my phone. I buy you car.
So I'll go with the 16 voices. Then right from here guys, you have to add reverb. So let's add reverb on this one. Change the color to yellow, accept. Then we're going to introduce the Valhalla vintage reverb. All we're going to do is to cut off some of the low ends like this. Then we're going to route this to our reverb here. We're going to route that, insert track 3 to the reverb by clicking here, then control the reverb, amount of reverb, by dragging this knob.
John, my phone. I buy you car, you give me love. I buy you car, you give me love. John, my phone. I buy you car, you give me love. I buy you car, you give me love. John.
After that, all you need to do is to EQ your reverb, and guys, you get that particular crowded choir effect. Watch the next video to know how to use auto tune like a pro. This is super simple. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Seyi, still the solution career. Go back, practice, come back for more.